At the fag end of the iteration, we do multiple activities as part of our inspect and adapt mechanism. We know Agile is all about empirical process, which relies on inspect and adaptation. Let's look at the two key ceremonies or meetings which we call as part of the inspect and adapt. Iteration, review and demo. Iteration, review and demo is an inspect and adapt mechanism of empirical process that Agile relies on. At the end of the iteration, the work that has been accomplished by the team and the product increment is demonstrated to the appropriate stakeholders. The product owner is one important stakeholder as part of Scrum to be part of the iteration, review and demo meeting. The team is going to demonstrate all the completed stories. Stories can be accepted or rejected by the product owner and other business people, and team is going to take those inputs and feedback from the business people to incorporate any changes in the next coming iteration. Iteration demo is better done on a server like a QA server or a testing server, which is a stable environment, and it should never be done on development environment. Let's summarize again the sprint review or demonstration of the sprint. In this meeting, we demonstrate the product that has been accomplished by the team, development team. So the focus of the sprint review is the product and the product increment, The team demonstrates what they accomplished as the working product, working software. Who attends these sprint review meeting or sprint demo meeting? Anyone can attend the sprint demo meeting. The development team demonstrates the product increment. If, for example, 7 stories are done by the team member, ideally the QA person who tested these or somebody who has good knowledge about all these stories can demonstrate, or even team can keep hopping across among themselves, with specific stories. Basing on who are conversant with these stories, they can demonstrate those stories. The audience who are part of this sprint review meeting can give their feedback, and the feedback is taken and probably implemented in the next sprint or upcoming sprints as part of the adaptation to the product changes and innovation. The very outcome of a sprint review meeting is the validated product increment and the feedback on the product increment.